Welcome back to another unboxing, my friends. We're checking out the Werkzeug oscillating saw blades. So I have a Dremel oscillator and needed a couple of blades because they wore out. So this is a 23-piece saw blade kit here. And you can grab this off of Amazon for about $22. Which is pretty much a screaming deal, because if you buy these individually, they're, I think, about $3-4 a piece. So what we have in the kit is metal or wood, plastics, and soft metal cutters. And this is the kind of the roundish one, so you stick it on there and it gives you a good range of motion around all your area there you're trying to cut. Just pull all these guys out of there. Alright, so it has I'm not even sure what those little guys are. Probably an adapter to go over to help you attach it. Anyways, there's that. That's it for the little bag, which is a pretty cool little bag it came with, like that, to hold all your blades. Alright, so we have three of the round ones here. This will be nice. This is actually really handy for cutting in difficult places. I used it to cut the trim or molding under the bottom part when I was putting the floor in, so it was a little higher. So in order to get under that, it's difficult to do unless you have something like this, which is kind of handy. So this is for metal, so you can cut metal with this. So it comes with 3 of these ones. Cool, there's 3, so that's 6 total with the other round ones. Okay, these ones here. This is for wood, and there's also 3 of these. So there's a ton of these guys. 3 more for wood also. Similar ones, so just a lot of so that would be 6 of those total. And we have these metal ones, but they all have the nice little kind of I don't know if I can show you that real quick. It's got a little ruler on the side, so you can tell how much you're cutting in or whatever. And here's some more for wood. Dun, dun. So 3 more of those. And then finally 3 more for wood. So just a ton of blades. I only had a couple, and they wore out using them, cutting through just various things. So these should last me a long time. I will be doing a demonstration too, show you how handy these are with the little oscillator. So thanks for watching this unboxing video. Kind of excited to be able to use my oscillator again, because it's quite handy and doesn't make, I don't know, it just seems not as messy as like our traditional saw. So thanks for watching, my friends. We will see you next time. Everyone have a great day out there, and take care.